How to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up TikTok. Now click on your profile, tap on the three lines and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down, tap on report a problem. Again scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on report. Again scroll down and tap on chat with us. Now tap on send a message. Now type account suspended appeal. Now click on send. Now tap on submit a ticket. Now describe your issue. You can also attach your screenshot and click on submit. Now wait for some time until TikTok support team will contact you. So that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.